So we will introduce mainly with this one. This is our new design handheld mini printer. And
new design, the
yes,
mini
new
printer.
design.
These three types are all the mini portable inkjet printer. And this one is a bigger handheld inkjet printer. And this one is newly designed by ourselves. And you can see the screen will be a little bigger than these two models. And also this is plastic body. And this model can connect with USB. There is this USB interface, and it can connect with data cable.
Yes.
Data cable by Type-C interface. And another advantage of this printer is there is a small protect cap. And when you insert the cartridge and you don't want to take out the cartridge, you can use it to protect the cartridge nozzle, so the nozzle won't be clogged easily.
Yes.
Okay.
And also, this printer is made by the ABS plastic. It's stronger than the other type. Can protect the whole maple and cartridge and the battery.
Yes, and this model also is inside the encoder, and it is different from the bigger handheld. You can see this encoder is outside.
Yes.
And this is inside, so it will be with higher quality.
Yes, and also because of its built-in design, so
Yeah.
the size of the printer and also the weight of the printer will be much less than the bigger one.
Yes.
And the cost of the grid will be reduced a lot.
We forgot to introduce our name. Okay, and next time I will introduce our company, about our company.
Yes.
Well, first, welcome to all of our customers who enter to our live streaming. And if you have any questions or you are interested in our products, and you can send us inquiry or click below catalog and then get more details about our company and our products. And today, my colleague Brad and I will introduce these two models, totally four types, mini model and handheld inkjet printer. They are all hot-selling models in our store with best price and the good quality. First, I will introduce about our company profile. We are Shenyang-based technology company, and we are a high-tech and independent research and development, production, sales, and service. And our products including the TIJ printer, TIJ including the handheld and online inkjet printer. Online inkjet printer can be used in the production lines, for example, conveyor belt and pigeon machine, labeling machine, weighing machine, and other machines. So it can be print the products continuously. And today will introduce another model. It is called handheld inkjet printer. Except the TIJ printer, we also have the CIJ printer. CIJ printer called the continuous inkjet printer. You can see this one. This is CIJ printer. The CIJ printer with a bigger output and a big stand and a big print height than the TIJ printer. CIJ printer also can be applied for different applications. And the TIJ printer, CIJ printer, and the laser marking machine, laser marking machine totally include the three types. First one is fiber laser marking machine. Fiber laser marking machine can be used on some metal materials like aluminum and other metals. And another is CO2 laser marking machine. CO2 laser marking machine is mostly used on PET bottle. You can see there are the expiry date and the manufacture date on the PET bottle. They are all marked by the CO2 laser marking machine. And the last one is UV laser marking machine. UV laser marking machine is suitable for some plastics or some other materials. So laser marking machine totally including three types: fiber, CO2, and UV laser marking machine. If you are interested in the laser marking machine, you can also leave comments on the live streaming.
Welcome, Andrew.
Hello, welcome to our live streaming, and you can leave your questions here. My colleague will reply you as soon as possible. And except the TIJ printer, CIJ printer, laser marking machine, we also have some related products like conveyor belt, pigeon machines. So if you are interested in anyone, and you can contact us. And our company's philosophy is focused on coding. We are focused on coding for more than 12 years, and we treat quality as a base and service-oriented principles. And our vision is to become the most professional, caring, and trustworthy enterprise in the printing industry. This is our slogan. Our slogan is each printing, each perfect needs. So when customers use our machines, we hope and look forward to any customers to reply to us, and hope every printing can get the perfect print result. And this page shows our development. Totally 12 years we focus on coding. And in 2010, we are established and formed the early research and development technical team. So after 2 years in 2012, we have made a breakthroughs and innovation in technology, and then we have launched the first CIJ printer. CIJ printer is just what I said just now, a continuous inkjet printer. And after 1 year, in 2013, we have a renovation and upgrading of the production workshops. We have expanded our workshop, and the working area has increased too much, and our production lines was expanded to 30. And next, after 2 years in 2015, we have expanded our our product range and launch the first laser marking machine. Laser marking machine is also, as I said just now, fiber laser marking machine. And after 1 year in 2016, we have some add some CE certificate for customers. Some certificates like CE, ISO, and some ROS certificate. The CE certificate is very important for the customers from the Europe, from Turkey. Turkey customer every time request the CE certificate, so we can provide the customer about the certificate. It also can help the customer clear the customers very easy and very quickly. And this certificates also can show our strengths and can show our power about our products. And in 2017, we had launched the first encryption chip printer. It is the TIJ printer. TIJ printer including two types. The first type is encrypted printer, as I said. If you order the encrypted printer, it means the printer with RFID chip. So you only can order the in cartridge. In cartridge is the consumables of the printer. You only can order the in cartridge from our store, from us directly. And if you order the unencrypted printer, so you can you can buy the cartridge anywhere. And in 2018, we have participated in some exhibitions. First one is the Hong Kong Packaging Machinery exhibition, and we have established a long-term partnership with a famous brand. Until last year, we have reached a strategic partnership with agents in 13 countries. So we have distributors from 13 countries, and our products are sold to more than 100 countries and serving more than 200,000 users. This is a whole development about our company. So if the new customer come into our office and contact us, talk to us, customer will ask why I choose Face. So we have list some reasons about why choose Face. First one is we have 12 years focus on coding machine, and our products has exported to more than 126 countries. And we have 200,000 global users, global customers. And we provide to customers 3 years after sales service. And customer will know if you are frequently import products from China, so you will know the after sales service is also important factor. If you order products from some suppliers and when you order from us and they ignore the customer, leave the customer alone, this is not good feedback. So we can provide customer a long time after sales service. No matter you have, as I said, certificates. First, certificates can help our customers to clear the customers very easy. And these certificates can also show our company's strengths in the products areas. And we have more than 200-person team. So except me, and we also have other 20 doctorate engineers. So our engineer continuously develop research, some new products, some new designs to meet customers, different customers requirement. And up to now, up to this year, and our agents are located in 13 countries all over the world, and we have served more than 200,000 customers. And this pictures is a photo, is our customers and our colleagues talking from different countries like Pakistan and India and Tanzania and Turkey customer. About the 12 years development, our products have been exported to 126 countries, occupying 7% of the industrial market share and customers all over the world. And this is a world map about the user distribution. You can see the map. We have sold to Europe about 20%. In Asia, Asia is a big market for us. We have sold to 32% to Asia. In the South America, about 16%. Africa and North America, about 12%. We have some customers, some American customers are very interested in our another model. It's called the 3D wall inkjet printer. 3D wall inkjet, 3D inkjet printer is suitable on printing on the vertical walls to some art designing. And the last one is Oceania. Oceania, we have sold to about 8%. Welcome to our live streaming.
Welcome.
And we focus on coding and vessel quality and excellent service to all of our customers. Over 200,000 users worldwide. After the 12 years development, we have mastered a number of plans, which help all of customers solve different coding problems. And in the future, we will continue to strive for the new research and new development and new technologies, and provide a full range of printing technology solutions for different customers. And below is some of our partners. These are some certificates about we have got. Like C certificate and the ROS certificate. And our products are also the inkjet printer and some other dangerous products, because especially the handheld inkjet printer with battery and the ink cartridge is also the dangerous products. And we have this shipping way. We have special shipping way to ship these products. So if you are new customers in our store, and we can assure the two products can be shipped to you through door-to-door delivery. And for the ink cartridge and some inks, we also have the MSDS certificate. And we have some trademarks to show our company's strengths. About our after-sales service, currently three steps. First one is 1 minute response, and we provide 24 hours online after-sales service. So no matter you ask help in any time, and we can reply you as soon as possible. And second one is 2 hours to resolve. And we provide excellent technical consultant, provide the best solution online. And if you have any coding problem or when you use our machine and you don't know how to operate and you encounter some problems, don't worry. And you can contact with our sales engineer directly to solve your coding problems. And last one is 3 years warranty. And we provide 3 years warranty. During the warranty period, we provide a professional, considerate, and timely after-sales service for the customers. These are some customers' good feedback on our Alibaba shop. First one is a customer called Slade. He from Australia, and he ordered a fiber laser marking machine from our store. And he said, well made and quick shipping. Harry was very helpful and quick to resolve any issues. It's very well and it's great for the price, highly recommended. And he said they have a quick shipping. Quick shipping is very also is very important for the customers because when customers sell their products and we will know customer want to receive the product ASAP. So we will arrange the delivery within 1 to 3 days after got the payment. It is very quick shipping. And also we can provide, we can solve the problem as soon as possible, and we provide a better price for the customers. So thanks for the slide feedback. The next one is he ordered handheld fact. You can see this one, this yellow shell. It is a handheld fiber laser marking machine. And he said very good package and quality. And Kevin is my colleague. Kevin supplied the best after-sales service. Will buy one more quickly. In the very good package, he said. So if you order the laser marking machine from our store, we will pack it in wooden packages. It will be more safe to ship to the customer's country. And the next one is the customer also ordered a fiber laser marking machine. In excellent service, very prompt reply to queries and very fast shipping. Extremely satisfied with all aspects of my service. And this customer also shows some pictures about he received the product he received. It can show our packing is very well, and this machine is very perfect. And this customer called Gil Hermy from Brazil. Brazil is also our main market, and we have many customers from Brazil. And this customer said excellent service and great after-sales service. Very serious and responsible company. 100% recommended. And this customer ordered another model called online coding machine, online inkjet printer from our stock. So also thanks for the customers' good feedback. And last one is customer from Amy from USA, American. And he ordered a similar product, hand cutting jet from our store. And she said, the printer I like Face. Face is our company in Paris service really good. I bought machine from Face many times. And she is an old customer in our store. So we are also happy that Amy is very good. 5 stars comment. And next one, our company's introduction is over. And next time I will introduce about the models we will introduce today. First one is this one. It is a model KD360i. I means the mini. So this printer is called mini inkjet printer. It adopts TIG right. It supports, you can see the print height is different. This model supports half inch printing height. And so this printer adopts the plastic body APIs. This printer supports Chinese and English, only supports 2 languages. And later we will design a new model. This one, this green one. This new model supports multi-language. So if the customer don't know English, don't worry. And we have a new design supports to meet your requirement for different language. And also, our printer can print different information like print date, time, text, and the serial number, and picture, barcode, QR code, or logo, or other information the customer wants to print. And this is some application, some cases about our company. So this printer can be applied for different materials, many materials. This is a product overview about the printer. First, you can see this is a silver button. The button is to power on or power off. And if after power on, if you want to print the message, this button is also necessary. You can click it and then continue to print the different informations. And this is a jacket, a cartridge jacket. When you insert the cartridge, you need to hold it, the jacket will. You insert cartridge and then power on. The most important point is about customer need to know we should insert the cartridge first and then power on. This is the right step about the inkjet printer. And after operating, customer need to power off first and take out the cartridge. And the print height can be from 12 to this printer supports 1 inch printing height. 1 inch printing height also 25.4 millimeters. And half inch is 12.7 millimeters. And we suggest customer can print 1 to 6 lines. Is better with a good print result. And this shows some printing results about our printer to print the serial number and our logo. This printer with small size, so it is very easy and convenient to operate. Also, this is the touch screen control, so you can operate it with your hand or with stylus. It is also flexible etiquette, and the printer result, print height can be adjustable as a customer need. And we also support the original ink cartridge. There are two types totally. First one is original. Original will be with a better print result than the Chinese ink cartridge. Quick charging. And what can we print? As I said, we can print on the packing carton and medicine bottle, PET packaging, plastic bag, and the PET bottle, and metal, and many materials. Some cases to print on the bottom and the bottle cap, to print on the plastic, carton, glass, and the bag, cable, paper. This is the last one about this product called KD480 PIJ handheld inkjet printer. We call it portable intelligent handheld inkjet printer. This printer with multi-core CPU and with a 4.3-inch touch screen. This is a touch screen and get cooling and print switch. Red button is a print switch, and handle and battery can be taken out. Took out, not taken out. And the charging and power. This is power. It can be 1 second power on, very fast. And sensor interface. Diversity. It can print the serial number, logo, and the different kinds of font, like Arial and the other fonts. Barcode, QR code. This is a date matrix font as a CIJ printer. Print content is also diversity. In tiny word and the virtual body word and the traditional Chinese characters and the serial number, logo, QR code, barcode. The print height, this printer also supports different print height. And the printer in my hand supports 2 mm to 12.7 mm. And we have also another model supports 1 inch, even 2-inch print height, the handheld inkjet printer. So if you need more print height, and you can contact our colleague or send us inquiry to get more details about your requirement. And this is some applications. The printer can be used in the light industrial and the pharmacy, manufacturing, food industry, and some commercial industry. This is just as I said, it can be used online using. This is an interface about the sensor. If you connect this interface to the sensor, it means the printer can be used as picture showed to work with the conveyor belt or the printing machine. So customer don't need to print it with your hand one by one. It can be used on the production lines to realize automatic coding. also can print different colors. Suppose different colors. You can see there are different colors in cartridge: black, white, green, red, blue, yellow, UV, and invisible in cartridge to meet customers' different requirements. And this one is a USB interface. A USB interface can be can be add some logos or pictures. If customer want to print logo, and you can make the logo in BIP format, then connect with your disk to print the logo by the printer. And this printer built in large capacity battery, so the long battery life, only 3 hours to charge, and it can be used more than 10 hours. Detailed packing list about the printer packing. First one is this main body and how the inkjet printer one piece. And we will send you extra accessories like your disk and the stylus, charger, battery, and the one piece in cartridge. This is standard packing. If customer need to order more in cartridge, and you can tell us, and we can add some other accessories as you require. You can. Okay, this is a full introduction about our company and our products. And next, my colleague Brad will have a real operation about the printer. And welcome to Brad.
Okay. Thank you, Carrie, and thanks for your very detailed introduction with this all kinds of the printers. Okay. And Carrie, you have a lot of message need to reply. And first, I will show you the printers. Okay. You can see there is a 4 different type of the printers. I will introduce the one by one. And at first, I will introduce the smallest one, the simplest one, right? This right one is our old type, the KD360 mini printer. And the price is the $148. And you can use the normal PAG 2.5 type like solvent ink cartridge, and also without the infections. It means you can find any ink cartridge you can use. You don't need to purchase from us always. And besides that, this mini printer, the most different with the others is the size of the weight. As you see, it's much smaller than my hand, so we can hold it and we can operate very easily. You can just use it by anyone's hand. And in these printers, there's only one button in the print button, in the machine button. This one. Okay, I will show you how to use it. At first, we can keep the button, press the button, and we will see it's open, right? And first, it can be the power button. Okay. And you can see the interface is very simple. Just 3 different parts of the first interface. At first is the print, is the interface is the menu of the edit the print content. Top is will show you some data about the machine's situation, and it will help you to find what happened in this machine. Normally, sometimes you will find the machines get something mess. You can ask about our engineer, and we will ask for this interface, and our engineer will tell you what happened and how to fix it. Okay, now let's show you the installed in cartridge. I believe some of the friends must know how to use it. It's very simple type. just take out the cartridge from the protected cap and then unlock this part and in the cartridge inside the printer. Okay. Okay, and don't forget to open the cap. And now it's okay. I finished the whole work about the install the cartridge. And also you can see after we include the cartridge, the size will never be changed. Just a little part is a little bigger, but it's the standard cartridge. It's all the same for all the TIC cartridge, so it's the normal things. And it will help you to take it out and take it in. Okay. Okay, then I will show you the different design. This part is a protect cap, right? I told you. And normally after we finish the printing, we need to take care our cartridge, right? To the maintenance things and to clean it up on the black the cap and also the put it in the safe place. But the mini printer don't need to do that because we have this one in the protect cap. So after finish the printing, we just need to use the no woven fabric and use the apple to clean it up the back cap and also close the cover. Okay, it will be done with the after printing job. And also, as you know, the difference is what the small printer is not for a big amount of work, big amount of job. It cannot work maybe 24 hours plus the 7 days. No, it cannot do that. Just do some part of the job. Sometimes we may need to print maybe this part of the gene, maybe past the days. We need to refresh the date, or we will mark it because the action date just 1 or 2 months, so we can use it to mark it. Or sometimes you will find something like this. Yes, this package we need to send to our customers, and we need to mark on the code, some code, QR code or barcode, something, so we can use it to print. But if you want to use on the production line or the conveyors, it's not do that. It's not something, okay? It's a portable printers. Okay, then I will show you the print effective, okay? Now I will clean it at first to show you how to use it. At first, put the normal woven fabric on the table and put some apple and clean it up and down. Okay? Up and down. Up and down. And do not move it left and right because it will damage the print hole. It's damage the not will influence the effective of your print. Okay. Okay, now I'll show you the print. It's very simple. After we finish the edit the content, you can see the face right in the interface on this one, and run print, put that button one time, and then you will see the top of the interface, top of the screen. It will show you the touch testing, and then you can print. Because of the color is green, so it's not too much green. You can see the size of the word, and the word is very clear. It's very simple. Okay, I'll show you the other things. This is a PVC pipe, PVC finish pipe. And sometimes we may, in our house, there's too much pipes in the house. We don't know what is this, what is that. Sometimes when we fix it, it's very hard to find the right one. Okay, you can use this one to mark on the pipe like this. It's very simple. Even it's not a vertical space, not a level space surface, you can still print on that because you can see this part. The encoder is inside the building in the printer, right? And the only thing is outside is this wheel, and this wheel is to keep it green. The most important part to keep it green. And because the wheel is outside, and after you just need to move the wheels on the surface to keep it green. And the top of that is not about the encoder, it's just a part to hold it to make it level with the surface. So how do we know? We just need to move the wheels on the surface and move it. So then we can print it anywhere. All the green part is the green. Okay? And also sometimes we will find some maybe shop, maybe the market, some product like this pen. Some pens of the ink didn't mark the product date. You can use this one to wrap it. But the normal one is not green, like this one. So you can see this is the encoder and this is the green nozzle, right? You can't print on the top or bottom or even this other side. But this mini one can do that. I'll show you, okay? See, in the bottom of the can, all those on the surface. Yes, it's right at the green is to be the black, right? And also, after we print on the empty surface, but we think it's a wrong content because it's not ours sheet, right? But I print on the face. How about how to take it out? Clean it up. It's also simple. Just use the fabric or something else. Put some alcohol and it be clean. It's nothing here, right? So this is our own type, the mini printer, and the name of this printer is the KD360 Plus Mini. And the price of this printer only $148. And we will send you with a free black ink solvent cartridge. Okay. Okay, then I will show you the second one. Yes. Let's do it in order. This one is similar with the KD360, right? But something maybe different. Do you find? This one used the 1 inch black ink cartridge, and this one is used half inch. Half inch is 5.7 millimeters, and this one used 25.4 millimeters in cartridge. The print size is much different, and also the print content will be much bigger than that. Because the length of the print is the same, it's no limited, no one. But the only thing to limit the print content is the print end. And this one is double size. Okay, I will show you the difference. This one uses the new system, new operation system, and it will be different. Okay, because it's too similar with that one, so this is the first interface of the printer. Okay, and it's very different, right? Because in this one is just a three part, is the config and the printing and the different, right? But this one will directly to the print content. We'll show you the date or something else, and there will be a counter on the top, so you can count how many times you print or how many products you print. And also the setup, the print, file, and edit. Edit you can just edit the content, something like the date, something like the logo, or some block, and print is just a print. Another is the setup. After setup, we can see the frequency, and grease is the color of the print as the darker or the grayer maybe. And also the delay, the print delay is to maybe after we print the button and move it will be print on the second we put it or the few seconds. That's the difference. And also the system normally you can change the brightness, it's the screen brightness, and also the languages you can change to the English and the Chinese. And then this is the same part with these two printers. They only support two languages, with the Chinese and the English, and they didn't support any others. That's a small advantage, maybe. And also the time and coverage. Book price. Oh, yeah, there's the biggest difference is the color. Yeah, the color is different. It's the whole blue, but it's the whole blue is the whole aluminum. Yes, aluminum is the metal one. Okay, here. So it's heavier, a little heavier than this one, and the protection will be better. You can make the whole printer, the cartridge, the main board, and the battery in a safety place to work. So it's hard to improve, right? Okay, after we finish this two type, with the two similar type, then it's time to our biggest one. This one is our biggest. So I'll show you the print scheme. They use the same cartridge, just the PIJ 2.5 black solvent cartridge. And also the color is not the important thing. You can change to the yellow one, round one, and the invisible one, and the white one. Also can just find the same cartridge, PIJ 2.5 cartridge. And the first cartridge unlock the cartridge. You see the difference is this one is very fast system. After we pull the button of the battery, it's just to show you the screen. It's already finished. Okay, and also let me show you how to print them first. This one has a trigger in the hand part, right? So the first thing we need to do is to save and to start print, and we can see there's a waiting for what? Waiting for your trigger, and then it change to the printing. Okay, now we can print. You heard the sound? So each time we print one trigger, we finish one print. You see? This one will be much better in the smooth surface on like this one. The print effective will be much better because normally the PIJ printers they use the in cartridge, right? They use the similar print nozzle, and this type of PIJ is the thermal injector printer. So it has the best print distance is the 2.2 2 to 5 millimeters. So and we can see the wheels are filled in the printer, and also all the surfaces on the same level. So it will keep the print distance in the perfect size. Okay? So it can hold the best print effective. And also the difference is the big screen, if you make you to use it very easily, and also the encoder is outside. Yes, outside it may be dangerous. Maybe sometimes will be easier to broken, or sometimes will be we need to fix it or something else. But outside, in another side, in another word, it means it will be better to fix it, right? It's easy to fix it. Not like this one, we need to open the machine and take out this one, take out that one, then we will find the fixed part, we fix it, and then finish all the job. This one just take it out and change a new one. So sometimes, in other words, outside building, it means it's easy to fix. Yeah. And also the much difference between these printers is this one has a hand. Okay. But what's this? It's not only to set a trigger, but also it's a battery. It's a V-line battery, and this battery can support this printer to work for the 10 hours, about 10 hours. And also because it can be exchanged, take out or set in, so we can make this printer work for last one. Because we can use 2 batteries or 3 batteries, and use 1 battery on the raw printing, and these 2 batteries or 1 battery on charging. Then when it runs out, we can use for one to charge. Okay, it can keep working. And because the size and also because the design of the wheels is suitable for some big amount of job, like to mark on the package, in the storage, maybe in the delivery, and something else. We can mark on the box faster and faster because that's a precision, right? And it's not too heavy than the others. It's just with the whole package of these printers, just 4 kilograms. And also the price of this printer with one black cartridge only $158. Okay, $158. And also it can support more than 20 languages. I will show you. Yeah. You can see in this setting in this interface, you will see it's the 25 languages, like exposed like the Chinese, like English, Japanese, Korean, and Espino, and Portugal, and French, Italian. All these languages you can use it. It means you can use it all over the world, most countries all over the world. And all your employees, customers can use it without any help. Okay. And also, you can see the big CE, right? This printer, or not this one, not only this one. Our printers also have the certificate like the CE and MSDS with our in countries, and also the ROHS for printers, and also we have some the other printers like the laser refracting machine, like the CAD machine, like the UV machines, yeah, UV machines. We both have the certification, and it will help you to trust us, right? That means our honor about the business. And also, this one has the UV interface. It means you can upload your logo, your file, and your picture you made in the computer and upload to the print. You can print. And this one, you see, no other interface, only one interface, one button. And this one is for track and also to connect with the computer and not insert any UV, right? We come to our live stream. And this one, it has UV interface. It will be easier to use, and also it has a sensor interface. You connect with the sensor. Sometimes you have to work faster. Yeah, maybe faster. Okay, then is our last type of the print, right? This one is not too much things to say, but as I see this one as the best cost effective. It is the simple design and also has a big hand, is easy to work for a long time, and because of the battery can take out, it's suitable for the long time work, and also big screen, it will operate better, and also with the 25 languages, you can sell it in anywhere, and also your employees will use it very well. And also in this part, you can see we can support OEM. We can mark on your company's name, and also the interface will mark on your company's logo. Will help you to explore your. Okay, then it's the main part. It's our new design, the mini printer. It's not only the new design, it's designed by our companies ourselves. And we see this as just a simple box. It's a tube, right? It's kind of tube. The only button of the top is this one. So what this one is used for? You see? It's a cartridge of cartridge switch. We can use it to open a cartridge part, also insert the cartridge. It's not just the take it in. It will be set up. Design is very good. And this one is the switch of the cartridge. Then this one is the power button. See the power button? Hello, Carrie. Welcome back. Okay, so I forgot to charge about this printer. I'm sorry, but I can introduce the other type, other part, like the cartridge, like the interface. This one is connect with the charge. We can share with the Type-C data cable. It means it will be same with your phone, and you can take it as your phone. On the size you can see it's smaller than my hand. Okay, it's small size. You can take it in your package, and also it has the advantage of this one. It has the UV interface. And then is the part of that one, the encoder part. There's a built-in encoder, and it's very unique, right? Because you don't even expose wheel, just a part of the wheels, so you can print inside. Because it uses the ABS plastic, it's stronger than the others, okay? And it has a bigger screen, so it can make the operation much easier. And also it contains its own advantage of this printers. It's supports more than 25 languages. And it has the protect cap. And after you finish the print, just the cap. And it still has a place to take it. And because of it has the 3 wheels, so when you print, it will be much easier, right? But this one will be different. Only 1 wheels. When you print on the surface, you see, it's not very smooth like that. So by the way, in today, the new printer, the new mini printer, newly designed face mini printers price only $168, and we'll send you a black plastic with free, and it is a solvent card, okay, with a PID 2.5 black in solvent cartridge. The total price will be $168. Normally, after we finish the print, just like this, we will take it out and clean it up in the table, move up and down, and then grab the normal pack. Yes, this is the finished job. Because of the protected pad, we will save this part of the job. And now we'll show you our ink. You can see this is our ink package. We will send it with the plastic bag, and also send it with non-woven fabric to have it in the cartridge. And it will mark on the ink's model, will mark the firing voltage and the pulse wise and the pulse warning, and with the batch number and also the mark is need to install the sealing fan in time for more than 30 minutes without printing, and also the fabric to insert and take out the cartridge during the printing. Only these two need to be attention, okay? And they will be marked on the PID printers. So maybe okay, is there anyone who want to see any print on different things? I can show you. Okay, I'm show you print on different material. Okay. I just show you to print on this cable part here. Okay. So I will show you print on the plastic. It's just like small spots to hold the fuse. And I will show you print. You see, the green part is the print and just finished. And not only the text, it also can print something like the date and the serial number. Okay, I'll show you. And this one has a special system. You can see the screen. This one is the biggest, right? And it's a operation. Hardly to happen to be something like this mistake to put the wrong button. And this one is okay, it's similar with that, but this one is different. Sometimes when we print, the finger will close to the screen. Sometimes we may touch the wrong button. So we have a special system, special design. It's a protection design. When we start the print, and we'll see the touch protection. And even you finish that, you still need to wait a few seconds. It will protect nearly 20 seconds, and then you can put the unlock to finish the lock simulation, and then we can edit. We can do the operation. You see, here's a second, 7 and 6. After the few seconds, we can unlock the system. You will see the green lock on the top of the side. And we can change the edit. And also we can change the font. And when we need to print, just click the button. It's very easy. And also inside of this plastic, you can also print on the glasses bottom. You still easily for operation. Okay, and already show you print on the PVC, and this is the PBR pipe. You can see we can print on the straight or print on the level, on both sides. And this one just aluminum. You see, our clear print. And also normally we need to print on the plastic pack, right? Like this one. So put it in the smooth surface. You can see the face logo in the package. Sometimes it will be helpful in the market and the shop. Okay, I think maybe most of the printer and cartridge and how to use it I will introduce. And in the next will be our colleagues live streaming to show you how to use the laser function. And tomorrow we will have a different printer to introduce to you. And today, maybe sometimes you missed some main part about the message, want to know. You can leave your message and leave your questions, and we will answer you online. And otherwise, you can wait for the next day. Tomorrow, our colleague will still show you how to use the printers and what's the advantage of our printers. Okay? Okay, so that's all. Have a good day. Bye. Wait.